Here's Jimmy's new project. He's going to be installing ball valves onto the freshwater system. First he cut the piece to the right size. Then he used that stinky glue to assemble it. By the way, these are 1 1/4 inch PVC pieces. I know somebody will need to know that to do this project. And this whole thing only cost us about $35 to finish.
Put it at like a 45, so it's not all the way down or all the way up. That'll work.
Next, he added the thread tape onto the end of it. That's really important to prevent leaks. We made sure the tanks were empty. He took off the old cover and threaded on the new. Here he thought he got it just right, but then he decided to go one more turn just to make sure it was tight enough. We filled the tank with water and then emptied it out. Look how nicely it pours. It has a good flow, and it's so easy to turn on and off. We checked it in the morning and not even one drop had dripped out.